Bro, your wallet's crying and your bank account looks like a ghost town. Want $500 in a flash? Most guys waste cash on daily coffee runs, subscriptions, and impulse buys. Spotify, Netflix, gym memberships, all silently draining your bank. Step 1. Track every dime. Use an app or notebook, bro. Knowledge is power. Step 2. Cut the small crap. That $5 coffee adds up to $150 a month. Old games, gadgets, gym gear, sell it. Instant cash, instant win. Take a quick side hustle, food delivery, tutoring, or that eBay grind. No random purchases for 2 weeks. Your future self will thank you. Picture $500 in your pocket. Every small saving adds up, bro. $5 coffee, 30 days, $150. Cancel 3 subs, sell old stuff dollars. Boom! $340 already. Add a weekend side hustle for $160 and boom! $500 saved in weeks. Follow these steps, bro. $500 isn't a dream, it's a plan. Start today. Bro, your wallet